Okay, so once you've got Anaconda downloaded with the Anaconda Navigator program that you can open up on your computer, once you got that downloaded and your environment created, then go ahead and open up your Visual Studio Code that you also installed, and then we're going to go ahead and go to the next step of setup. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a folder anywhere that you can remember. I use my desktop, and you're going to want to go to the Explorer tab in Visual Studio Code, and then you're going to want to open the folder that you made for your specific project. So in this case, mine is going to be Discord Project 2. Or just Discord project in my case. So I'm just going to open this folder, and then once you open it, you're going to see just a blank slate, right? It's not going to be anything here. This is when we go ahead and we're going to create two files. We're going to create main.py, and we're also going to create config.py. Now once you've got these two files created, go ahead and go to your internet browser and go to Google and type in to the search bar Discord Developer Portal. Once you get here, you're going to want to go ahead and log in if you haven't already. Click the Applications tab up here, and then create a new application by clicking New Application. Now the name of this application, it can be whatever you want. I'm just going to do Test Bot 7, and then hit Create. And then after you create it, it's going to look like something like this. Now the next thing you do is you can forego all this stuff right now. Go to the Bot tab and then hit Add Bot, and then hit Yes, do it. Then it's going to create your bot. Now, again, you can change the name if you want, but not important right this second. You can give it an image if you want. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to reset your token. And once you do that, let me go grab my auth code real quick. 1 second. Okay, so yeah, I have an extra layer of security on mine, so it's the Authenticator app, just another layer. So let me type in my code. You may not have to do this on your end. Once you get this added in, then it will reveal your code. Now what you're going to do, you're going to copy this code, and you're going to go to Visual Studio Code, and that config.py file that you made, you're going to go ahead and type in this file token equals, and then you're going to type parentheses like that, and then you're going to paste in that code. This is your bot token that you're going to be able to use in your main file, and this way you can keep the actual token variable itself hidden out of sight so no one can get your key. So now what we got to do is you need to go down here to the bottom right of this window, click this, and then you're going to click on the environment that you made in Conda. So if yours was Discord Project or Discord Project 2, that is what you're going to load up in Visual Studio Code. So from this list here, I'm going to select Discord Project 2 because that's the one I created from Conda. Now, once you've got this done, this is all you got to do. Go to the terminal, and depending on how you're set up, this may, like my computer here, I actually have to install this from my Conda Navigator. So what you would do is you'd go here to that environment, and this is where you're going to install all of your packages. So we're going to install requests to work with APIs, pip install requests. We're going to want to install dissnake to work with Discord, pip install dissnake. Then we're going to want to install AIO HTTP, pip install AIO HTTP, and then we're also going to want to install pip install asyncio, which allows us to work with asynchronous programming. That one's already satisfied. Okay, so we have 4 modules installed. Now to see your installed modules, type pip list, and then it will give you a list of all of your installed projects or your modules here in this folder. Now that we've got all of our modules downloaded, installed, and ready to go back to Visual Studio Code, type in import dissnake, import request, import asyncio, import AIO HTTP. Import the 4 modules that you just installed. Now we're going to go back to the bot window real quick in Discord Developer Portal. We're going to go ahead and add it to the server. Now, I would not leave this checked. I would uncheck public bot, and then I would check, definitely, make sure you come to privileged gateway intents and check presence intent, server members intent, and message content intent. You're going to want to save those changes, and then you're going to want to go to OAuth 2 and then go to URL generator. This is how you're actually going to add it to FudStop server. So you're going to want to hit bot, activities, or I'm sorry, applications, commands, and then these are your scopes, right? And then down here for bot permissions, you're only going to be able to get in if you hit send messages, use / commands, read message history, attach files, embed links, manage or send messages in threads, create public threads, and then read messages, view channels, and manage webhooks. So all these permissions you can check, and then you're going to get an URL link down here that will be created for you. All you do is you copy that link, open a new browser, paste it, and then select FudStop, and then the auth code again is for me 831996. Continue, and then authorize. And then now, once we go to Discord, what was the name of my bot? It was testbot7. So now if we go to Discord and I type @testbot7, right there. There he is, ready to go. That's how you get your bot in Discord. Now, the next thing to do will be how to run the bot with a command. That'll be the next one.